Hello, welcome to day one of 30 Days of Scales, B flat major. If you want to see the concert pitch videos where your conductor says, we're playing concert B flat, and you're a different instrument like saxophone, trumpet, or horn, then watch the 30 Days of Scales, all instruments. This is just going to be B flat and that's it, which will work for any instrument when your instrument plays B flat major. First 15 days are going to be major scales, and the second 15 days are going to be minor scales. Here we go. These are the order of flats. Let's say you're looking at a piece of music, 5 flats. How do you figure out the name of that key? You can just go 5 flats. Okay, what's the name of the key? Whatever it is, the last flat,
Use the force, you will.
that's the name of the key. If you have the name of the key, like B flat major, and you want to know how many flats B flat major has, start at B, and you'll have to add 1, because if you take away the last flat and go back 1, that gives you the name of the key. So in B flat major, there are 2 flats. Here we have 2 tetrachords, B to E and F to B. They are color-coded so that you can see the 2 tetrachords, which every major scale is made up of. Every major scale has whole, whole, half, a space in between, and then whole, whole, half. There's a whole step in between each tetrachord of whole, whole, half. Now that the flats are in the key signature, B flat and E flat, this represents a half step between D and E flat and A and B flat. You normally don't write the flats in if the key signature is in place. The key signature is there to say all B's are flat and all E's are flat. If you look at a keyboard or a bell set, you can see the whole step, half step pattern. There is no bell between these two. In between the 2 tetrachords, there is a whole step, bell in between, whole step, half step. Thanks for watching day 1 B flat major scale. The more you practice, the better you get, the better you get, the better you feel. It takes time to understand music. Put the effort in and you've got this. Have a great day.